Hi, my name is Courtney Rainier. I'm the managing attorney at Magnolia Immigration Law, and we're here to talk to you today about a new public charge rule that's gone into effect that affects all green card applications. My associate attorney, Alice Burgos, is going to spend some time talking about more specifically what's involved in the public charge analysis. I've been an immigration attorney for 15 years, focusing primarily on business and family immigration. Magnolia Immigration Law is a full-service immigration law firm providing advice in the areas of humanitarian, naturalization, business, and family immigration. And we're excited to partner with the Farm Workers Association of Florida in providing education and information on immigration issues. My associate, Alice Burgos, is passionate about helping immigrants understand their options and helping to improve their situation in the United States. Alice?
Hi, my name is Alice Burgos. I'm an associate attorney at Magnolia Immigration Law, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the public charge rule. So this is a new rule that applies to anybody who is going to file for a green card. This new rule went into effect on February 24th, 2020, and immigration is going to be looking to see if you, as the immigrant, would ever become a public charge to the United States. How immigration is going to do that is they're going to consider many factors, and they're going to assess those factors to determine whether or not they are positive, neutral, or negative. In order to get a green card, you as the applicant must have more positive and neutral factors than negative factors. We work with a team of professionals that can help you turn your negatives into positives. Here are a few factors to consider. The first factor is public benefits. There are certain public benefits that would affect this public charge rule. Those benefits are disability, cash assistance, food stamps, Medicaid, and public housing programs. It's important to remember that if your U.S. citizen children or your U.S. citizen spouse are receiving these types of benefits, this will not affect your case. Immigration is looking at you. The second factor they're going to consider is health and health insurance. If you don't have any health issues, that's going to be a positive factor. But if you have chronic health issues, that's going to be a negative factor. However, we can make that negative impact a little bit less by showing that you've gotten treatment, that you go to the doctor, that you take your medication, and that you're regularly being seen. And the next is health insurance. With health insurance, if you don't have any health insurance, that's a negative. If you have private health insurance, like through your employer, that's going to be a heavily weighted positive. And then if you get Obamacare, that's okay too. That's going to be a positive. Obamacare is definitely a type of health insurance that you should get. So the next factor, or the third factor, is income and the ability to work. So they're going to look at how much your income you're making for your household. So they're going to compare how much should you earn to your household size. You need to make 250% over the poverty guidelines. And for the type of income they're going to be looking for income that you have earned either with or without a work permit. But how do you prove that you've earned income without a work permit? The answer is you must file your taxes. So in order to file your taxes, you need an ITIN number. And file your taxes with a professional, a CPA or a tax preparer. Now, it's important to remember, and please be rest assured, that the IRS does not talk to immigration. The IRS only cares that they received their money. And that is how we have to prove the type of income that you received, or how much income you have received. The next is assets. So with assets, we first want to talk about property, so houses and land. So if your household owns a home or land, that is going to be considered an asset for the purposes of the public charge rule. Now, when we talk about assets, we're talking about assets located anywhere around the world, not just here in the United States. The next asset is a car. So if you own more than one vehicle, then that second vehicle is going to be considered an asset. And lastly, money in the bank. So Of course, they want to see how much cash do you have. That's going to be an asset. And finally, education and skills. So your education and work skills will be assessed as a positive factor, as well as whether or not you speak some amount of English. So who does this rule not apply to? So there are certain people who are exempt from this rule. And those are individuals who are getting their green card through a humanitarian type green card, such as asylum, VAWA, U visas, or T visas. Otherwise, the public charge rule applies to you.
Thank you for joining us here today. We are here to help. This is a lot of information, and I'm sure you have questions. Please feel free to comment below in this posting, or feel free to give us a call or look us up on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. You can also book a consultation with us through our website. We're here to help. And we have a referral source of professionals that can help turn negatives into positives. You deserve a green card. We want to help you.